It is an educational video of class 6 by Patanjali Rishikul School, Prayagraj.
Welcome to all. Nice to meet you again. Firstly, I would like to extend my warmest wishes to all of you. I hope you all are studying well at home. So let us begin with a new topic and a new chapter, that is the government. Since the time when the human began to lead a settled life, it was felt helpful in maintaining order among the people in the society. Today, as you all know, that today we have a huge population with a variety of people having different mindset. As you all know how the day by day population is increasing, so to maintain order and provide security in the human society, we have an elected body of representatives called the government. So the government takes care of the needs of the people in various ways and means. So children, let us learn more about the government in this video. What is a government? What is the need of a government? Yes, don't worry. We'll explain you one by one. So firstly, what is a government? A government is the group of people managing the affairs of a country. The government takes various decisions and performs various functions. That's why we need a government. Children, what are the functions it performs? It performs various functions like it maintains law and order. It builds roads, hospitals, educational institutions, parks, museums, etc. Government provides safety to the people, and it also maintains armed forces to defend the boundaries of the nation. Have you ever think, children, about from the government, where the government had got money to maintain all these things, to perform all these functions? From where it require money? Children, to perform all its functions, the government needs money, and the money which it get it from us only. So it collect this money from the people, and we are the only people. This is called tax. For example, you have to buy a ticket when you visit Allahabad Museum, or you go to Sumitra Nandan Park, that is also known as Hathi Park. Children, the money that you pay to buy the ticket is to maintain the facilities that the government provides. Now, we have understood what is a government and why it is needed. Let us move ahead to know about the levels of government. In India, we have government at national level, at state level, and at local self level. It means we have 3 levels of government.
Go.
Let us talk about the first level of government. The first level of government is at national level, and it is also known as central government. All the important decisions concerning the whole country taken by central government. Decisions, the second level of government, that is the state government. What it do? Decisions concerning a particular state like UP, Assam, Bihar, etc. are taken by the state government. It means all the decisions are taken by the state government in the states. So it is known as state government. Children, there is another level of government, and that is local self-government. This government, where it takes the decision for a concerning about the cities, about the towns, about the villages, and then it forms a local self-government. So, in this way, the government works in coordination among them.
You all know that in our body there are different organs and they perform different functions. Similarly, the government also has three organs which known as legislative, executive and judiciary. So, a government has three organs. These are categorized on the basis of the functions performed by them. Parliament of India is the legislative body at the national level in India. It consists of two houses, namely the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Its members called Members of Parliament. They are also known as MPs. Make laws that are applied to the entire nation. As you know that India has diverse population, states in India have been given freedom to make laws. So there are states which has their own rules. So it is known as state legislatures, and state legislatures make law that applies in the whole state. Some states of India have two houses, that is Legislative Assembly, which is also known as Vidhan Sabha, and the Legislative Council, which is also known as Vidhan Parishad. You know, children, the members of Legislative Assembly are called MLAs, and the member of Legislative Councils are known as MLCs. The laws made by the legislature are implemented by the executive. You know the meaning of implemented? The meaning of it is applied. Officially, India's central executive is headed by the president of the country, although its real work is done by the prime minister and the council of the other ministers. A state executive is headed by a governor. It is run by a chief minister and a council of other ministers. A system of courts known as the judiciary settles. It settles disputes and makes sure that laws are obeyed. The Indian judiciary includes the Supreme Court, the High Courts, and various lower courts. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the country. A High Court is the highest court in a state.
You have learned about
So, the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary are known as the organs or branches of government.
Thank you, children. Keep studying, keep learning, and keep smiling.